probably want to start with the one on the back side and then do the front so that the vinyl overlay is facing the back of the car. That's the order I would am on in. However, it won't be the end of the world if you do it in the reverse order because the overlap is so small there. But you can see this vinyl actually goes down and onto this part of the light as well, so that you get a nice overlap there. It doesn't lift. Before I heat it, actually I'm gonna try to press that in a little bit. Heat goes straight into that curve. Really want the vinyl to lay down right here. Same at the top. Perfect on the back half. We go with the front. Just place the front where it needs to go. And I'm gonna use this. Bam, look at that. Perfect lineup. And that's it.